Hello and welcome. My name is Lisa Seymour Howard, and I am doing this quick video to let you guys know what a solo ad is. So recently, I launched my new solo ad business, and I put a post on Facebook, and then I got like questions from people saying, "Lisa, what is a solo ad?" So with this video, I want to kind of explain what that is. So a solo ad is um, if you have a website, you go to a solo ad provider, and that solo ad provider will provide people to click on your website. So a solo ad provider, in the grand scheme of things, provide clicks to your website. So a real world example of that, because solo ad providers normally work with affiliate marketers or people who are in the make money at home space. So a real world example, just in case you're not in the online space, would be let's say you're a new business and you open a restaurant. You have everything you need to get your business going. You have the best food, you have the nicest setup, and everything is good. But the only thing you don't have is customers, and you need customers to run any business. I mean, that is the reason that you're in business, is to sell your items in your restaurant. So your new restaurant, you've spent all this money to get your restaurant going, and now you need customers. So you go to someone who's like a solo ad provider, and you would say, look, Lisa, I have this restaurant and I need customers. I don't have any customers coming in, or I don't have enough customers coming in. So I would, in turn, get that restaurant's website address. And if they have an offer on that website, I can get people to click on the website. Let's say you give a free coffee away. That's to entice new customers to come into your restaurant. So yeah, Lisa, here's my website, and if you have an opt-in page, which is a page that collects information, like you'll get the person's name and the name and email address. That is why most businesses want you to sign up to get your name and your email so that they can market to you on a regular and hopefully get you coming in over and over and over again. So that in that example, restaurant owner needs more people to the website. They come to me and they ask me to send more people to their website so that they can potentially get more sales. So I in turn take that website, I go get the people that's going to click the website. Let's say 100 clicks. 100 clicks doesn't mean 100 sales. 100 clicks doesn't mean 50 sales. 100 clicks means 100 clicks. So what that means is I can promise you, if you pay me to get 100 people to click on your website, that 100 real people will click on your website, and not the same one person clicking 10 times. So it'd be 100 unique people clicking on your website. So 100 different people, not one person 10 times, or 10 people 10 times. So that's what a solo ad seller does. They provide clicks, and the purpose of the clicks is to hopefully get customers to opt in, and then you take it over from there, where you try to get sales from those customers, because you probably may not get sales when you do the initial campaign. But if you have them opt into your list, then you have someone on your email list that you can potentially sell to later, because you might have offered them a free coffee and they don't want coffee right now, but they do drink coffee. So you can send that same campaign to them next week or next month, and they'll eventually come in, because they'll remember when they want a coffee, he offered a free coffee. Let me go in there and see about the free coffee. And that's when you can potentially sell something that goes with the coffee. So that is what a solo ad provider does. Let me know if you have any more questions. Leave me a comment, like, and subscribe. and I will answer your questions. That's my video. Thank you.